Yowmoft Dust Extractor. Designed for continuous operation, auto start, and automatic HEPA filter cleaning. Mode 1 provides continuous suction. The tool outlet is disabled. And for added control, use the suction dial to set your power level. Mode 2 adds automatic HEPA filter cleaning. A short knocking sound indicates the cycle. This is normal. Mode 3 turns the vacuum off. Mode 4 enables tool-activated auto start with automatic filter cleaning. The vacuum starts after a 3-second delay and runs 8 seconds after shutdown to clear remaining dust. Mode 5 also offers auto start but disables the cleaning cycle when quieter. Operation is preferred.